Hi all. In this video, we are going to discuss that how to deny the traffic via a specific application using firewall feature in Seqrite Endpoint Security Console. To do that, let's log into Seqrite APS console using the administrator username and password. I have logged into Seqrite APS console. You can see the dashboard. So now we are going to change a particular policy. So if you wish to create a new policy, you can create a new policy, or you can edit a default policy if required. So now I am just editing the default policy from the settings. Just click on the settings and come to firewall. In firewall, you can see here that for default policy, we have not turned on the firewall. So let's turn on the firewall from here. So that will disable Windows firewall. So you click on yes, then come down. So here you can see a lot of existing rules. We need to add a new rule here. So to do that, click on add option. Here add just a rule name. So I'm adding app rule. So I want to deny the traffic through AnyDesk application. So in that case, if you just see what protocol it uses. So I'm choosing TCP as it uses TCP protocol, and you can see here that by default this is applicable to all application that meets specific conditions. So I just want to switch that to specific application. Here I am putting the path of my AnyDesk application, and I'm going ahead with the rule. So please note here I added a rule name, then I selected TCP protocol, then I added the specific application path here, and now I'm clicking on next button. So now again, so the traffic can be unidirectional or bidirectional. So it can be inbound, outbound, or both. So I'm selecting both here. I don't want both of this communication to happen through AnyDesk, and now going with next. So if you know the ports, you specify the ports there for local port and remote port. If you don't know that, you don't need to specify that, and even IP address, don't need to specify it if you don't know exactly that. And we are selecting any IP address and choose next. And again, the remote port, you can see here we are not specifying it, just specify all port, then we are choosing here deny. It means that for irrespective of the IP and the port number, if the traffic is getting initiated through AnyDesk application of TCP behavior, if the traffic is of TCP behavior, that will be getting denied as per this rule. I am finishing that. So any client which is following the default policy will be blocked from using AnyDesk application, as we have denied the traffic through AnyDesk using the firewall feature. After making that changes, just click on the save policy, so that the policy settings will be applied to the default policy, and all the client computers who are following this default policy will be working with respect to the policy guidelines that we drafted just now here. So this is how we are managing application traffic with respect to the firewall rule. So we believe this video is really useful for all of you, and we enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching this.